In this video, I will show you how to open apps in pop-up view on your Samsung phone. Pop-up view is a feature in Samsung phone that allows you to open an app in a small, resizable window that can be moved around the screen. This is a great way to keep an eye on something while you're using another app or to use two apps side by side. There are two ways to open an app in a pop-up view. First method, open the app you want to open in a pop-up view. Tap the Recent Apps button, tap on the app icon, then select Open in Pop-up View. Method 2. Tap the Recent Apps button, long press on the app icon, then drop it. It will open the app in a pop-up view. You can minimize a pop-up view to a floating icon by tapping the Home button. You can tap the floating icon again to reopen it. To close a pop-up view, just drag the app to the bottom of your screen until you see the word Remove. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.